G'day, my name's Suits. Welcome to ARMAEdit. This first video is just going to cover the ARMAEdit main module, what it can do, and what it's used for. Throughout all these tutorials you can find the demo map of the mission in the description of the video. Just ensure you have CBA and AE mods running. Starting with a blank map, just go to your modules, go to ARMAEdit, and we'll place the main ARMAEdit module, and you can see the other modules are there. So the main ARMAEdit module is used just to turn ARMAEdit on or off globally and also enable debug globally. All the individual modules start with debugging on by default, except for the main module, but none of the debugging will actually run unless you turn debugging on in the main module. Same as none of the modules will run unless you have the ARMAEdit on in the main module. So it's just a single source to turn things off and on. Now, built into ARMAEdit is a debugging console, so it will display some information as well. So there's two displays in there. There's a units one and a modules one, and I'll show them in a sec. And you can either have one or the other on or both, or have them both off. And just have there's also messages built in that will tell you if you link the wrong module to the wrong module, and it will tell you which module it should be linked to. But I'll show all that in another actual debugging video. For now I'll just turn all this on, and I'll just show you the console quickly because there's not much else to show in the ARMAEdit main module. The ARMAEdit main module is required whenever you're using ARMAEdit modules, and you only need one, you don't need to link anything to it. So it'll just take a minute for the debug to load, and then you'll see the consoles come up. So obviously the top one up the top left is the units one, the bottom one's the modules one. So the units one just tells you how many units you've got spawned into the map. It's good for balancing your zones and stuff you'll see later. And then the bottom one tells you what modules are active, and it's totally just used to figure out errors. You don't need it in there all the time, and obviously make sure you turn it off before you play your mission. And like I said, you can have one or the other or both off, and that's about it for the ARMAEdit main module. If you have any questions or issues, visit armaedit.com and post on our forums there or read the documentation.